Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Anton Asistio, and Coach Yang Yao of Rainer Shine. Coach, Anton, congratulations. Going to this game, Coach, yung emphasis mo is to be able to compete. Actually, even the recent games nyo, yun talaga. Anong masasabi mo, Coach, the way your players competed, and even in the third quarter na nababa sa isa yung lamang, they refused to lose, and now you're able to put yourselves in the best possible scenario going to the next round?
Yeah, it's probably it's our biggest game. It's our biggest win this conference. Appropriately, pang pitong panalo namin. Yun, hinahabol talaga namin makapitong panalo kami. Pero it took us all the way to our last game to get our 7th win. It also avoided a playoff for us. No, pag natalo kami dito, may playoff pa kami kalaban namin Magnolia. So, ayaw na namin mag-playoff. Kaya sabi ko, ibuhos nyo na rito sa laro na to yung lahat ng mga kayanan natin para at least even tayo pagdating ng quarterfinals. No? Even tayo sa makakatapat natin. And guess yung last 2 losses namin, we were really shooting poorly. Sama ng shooting namin. No? Pero ngayon, ano kami, more than 50% sa 3 points. No? Si Anton, halos hindi nagmimintis. No? So, you have to play a near-perfect game to beat TNT. No? So, halos bumigay na kami at a certain point. We lost our 13-point lead, I think. Lumamang pa yata sila ng 1 point. Mabuti nakabalik kami. And it's also because of the 3-point shots, no, that got us back in the game. No. So I just wish maging consistent kami ron kasi yun talagang paraan para manalo ngayon. Kaya lang importante, we're playing in the quarterfinals in a best of 3 instead of playing in a twice to beat with you at a disadvantage or having to go through a playoff. No? So yun nga, this is the best scenario for us considering medyo after our 5-game win streak nung December, itong January, medyo masama na nilalaro namin. Mabuti nakabawi kami ngayon.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Anton, alam naman natin yung sistema ni Coach Yang. You'll never know who's gonna start. You'll never know who's gonna stay on the court. How big or important is it to you to be able to do what you did tonight? You converted 6 3-point shots, your career high. And considering yung impact, laki ng impact ng performance mo sa panalo nyo.
I'm just very happy na nanalo kami today. Nakaiwas kami sa playoff for 8th spot and dun kami sa best of 3, diba, against Converge ata. So just happy with the way the team competed, the way na lumaban kami kahit nag-run yung TNT. And yun, at least andun pa din kami sa goal namin which is to make the finals, the next round.